Hello, dear students. Welcome back to e-classes of PNMC High School, Organization of Commerce, Standard 12. So today, let's continue with the next topic, that is functions of management. As we all know, in business unit, to achieve the goals, to achieve the objectives, management is so essential. Efficient management is essential. So, without management, a business unit cannot achieve objectives, targets of business. So, management is very essential. Management process is to be followed. Process means a series of function is to be followed. In simple way, I can say that step by step process is to be carried for all the managerial activities. It should be carried in orderly manner, in a sequence, in a chronological way. So, all the managerial activities should be carried in a sequence, that means one by one, step by step. And which are all the managerial activities? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. All these should be carried in a sequence in orderly manner to achieve goals and objectives. In modern times, management is considered as subject or field of knowledge. So many experts and scholars hold different opinion regarding concept of management. Let's have a look one by one. As per Coons O'Donnell, first is planning, second organizing, third staffing, fourth directing, fifth control. According to Henry Fayol, first is planning, second organizing, third direction, fourth coordination, fifth controlling. According to Peter Drucker, first is managing a business, second managing the managers, third managing workers and work. According to Luther Gulick, the classification is: first one is planning, second organizing, third staffing, fourth directing, fifth coordination, sixth reporting, and seventh budgeting. According to George Terry, the first one is planning, second organizing, third directing, fourth controlling. So we have seen the classification of functions of management by different experts. So mainly all these functions were highlighted: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. So let us understand all these functions one by one. First one is planning. Planning is said to be the basic or the primary function of management. It is the first step amongst all the managerial activities. It is basically deciding in advance what is to be done, when is to be done, and by whom is to be done. So if there is planning done, all the business activities will be carried down systematically. And with the help of planning, chances of risk are reduced, wastage are reduced, and we are prepared for uncertainties in future. Here, in third point of planning, it is written that it cannot prevent problems but predict them and prepare contingency plans. That means we cannot stop problems to come in future, but we should be ready. We should prepare ourselves to face uncertainties or problems. So planning helps to predict future in present only, and it makes easy to achieve objectives with the best alternative. We always have to be ready with the plan B, always, so that if any problem arises in future, it is easily managed with the help of planning. And to do planning first and foremost is considered a wise act. Thus, with the help of planning, it is easy to achieve objectives and goals as expected. And planning is considered as base for other managerial functions such as organizing, staffing, coordinating, and controlling. It is considered base. After planning, the next step is organizing. It is known as structure of responsibility and authority. As we have studied that first plans are defined and then to execute it, organization structure is formed. That means authorities and responsibility is delegated, and then it is clear who will supervise, who will have authority, who will manage the things. So organization structure makes the whole picture clear about the supervision, more authorities, who will manage the things, who will control the things. So the whole picture is clear. So planning is called the brain of business unit, and the organization is called the physical structure. Take example of our body. Our all the intellectual decisions are done with the help of brain, and various organs of the body helps them to implement it. In same way, the function of planning in business unit is to take intellectual decisions, and in order to implement these decisions, the organization structure is formed. So the main functions, as you can see written here in the organizing, that main functions are assigning duties, grouping tasks, establishing authority, and allocating resources. These are the main functions of organizing. It delegates the authorities and responsibilities to the employees. Third one is staffing. Staffing means the employees working in business organization. So when where there is a business organization, there will be the existence of staff. Without staff, organization is just a skeleton. Employees are considered as arms and legs of unit. That means only human can perform business activities, and so it is said activities of any business unit depends on staff. Staffing is concerned with recruitment of employees for right position at right time in right number with right qualification. That means it is very important whenever there is a need of recruitment, business unit should do the recruitment in right number with right qualification and for the right position. Business unit should also consider the welfare of the employees or staff because they are the valuable assets. They should motivate, business unit should motivate the employees so that they can give the best, and business unit should also consider their genuine problems if they have any, because the success of any business depend on its employees. So if employees are in problems, business unit have to consider it, listen it, and solve it. So staff is considered as an invaluable asset for any business unit. Fourth function is directing. Directing means to guide, to supervise the employees, and it is the main function of management. If your planning is done, if you have appointed your staff, if organizing is done, it is all worthless if direction is not given. If direction is not given to your employees how to work, then all the above three managerial functions or activities are useless. So, if superior fails to provide proper guidelines or direction to employees or workers, other managerial functions are worthless. Directing basically means to give guidelines to the subordinates, to supervise them, to give orders and instructions, to fix the work, and to motivate the workers to provide the leadership. And direction is considered as continuous process. So, directing includes the elements like leadership, motivation, and communication. It is known as a continuous process, and it is required in each and every level of management. Last function is controlling. Controlling means monitoring the performance. It means to check whether the task is being done as per the planning or set standards or set targets or not. If not, corrective measures are to be taken to correct it. As per the old concept, controlling means to restrict on employees or to give punishment on their mistakes. So it was a negative approach, but as per modern times, it is positive approach. It is not to give punishments or to be strict with them, but it is to direct them in right directions by correcting them, so that mistakes that are made in past are not repeated in future. So basically controlling is function of maintaining balance among the efforts, results, resources and objectives. So controlling means measuring the current performance, comparing and taking corrective measures. So let's revise the above five functions quickly. First one, planning. Deciding in advance what is to be done in future. Second one, organizing. That is organizing the human resources in the best possible manner. Third one, staffing. It is related with positioning the right people, right jobs at right time. Fourth one, directing. To give the proper guidelines, to proper communicate and coordinate with people to work effectively together. Last one, controlling. It is concerned with evaluating the progress against the plans and making corrections. So these are the highlights of above five functions.